Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Jennifer Walters. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Well, first of all, I'm gonna draw her glasses with a diagonal curve line right there. Turn it downwards at this inner corner. Turn it downwards at the outer corner as well. A diagonal curve line at this lower point across, and turn it upwards at this inner corner below. Now I'm going to trace the same outline for the frames right there. And in the middle point of the frame, I'm going to draw a line across at this top point. And I'm gonna draw a similar shape for the left side of the frame as well. Now for her eyes, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards at this middle point inside the frame. Diagonal turn to the left at this upper line of the eye and curl it up at this outer corner. For the lower line of the eye, I'm going to draw a curved line across from the same inner corner. Turn it upwards slightly at this outer corner right there. Inside of the eye, I'm going to draw a circular shape. At that point, a small white circle at the right top corner and a black dot in the middle. Above the eye, I'm going to draw across a similar line as the upper line of the eye, and I'm going to copy the whole eye shape on the right side here as well. Above the frame, I'm going to draw her eyebrow with a diagonal line upwards at the outer corner, turn it back down at that point. On the right side, I'm just going to draw the eyebrow at this inner corner right there. For the right side of her face, I'm going to draw a line downwards inside the frame right there. And I'm gonna continue that line above the glasses. Semicircle turn to the left for her hairline and a curved line across. Semicircle turn back down on the left side right there and turn it downwards to the top part of her glasses. Now for the line of her face on the right, I'm gonna continue the line on the right side below the glasses here. Turn it slightly inwards at this lower point. Diagonal turn to the chin on the left. Semicircle turn at the chin across. Diagonal turn back up on the left side right there. Semicircle turn upwards to the side of the glasses right there. Diagonal turn towards the glasses on the right. On the left side of the frame, I'm going to draw a diagonal line right there and another one below that. Below that, I'm going to draw her ear with a semicircle line across. Turn it downwards at the side. And for her earring, I'm going to draw a circular shape at this corner. From the ending point, I'm going to draw a oval shape downwards right there, and another similar oval shape at this inner point. And on the right side, I'm going to draw the earrings as well. Now for her head shape, I'm going to take this point above her ear and draw a curved line up. Semicircle turn to the right and turn it back down on the right side of the face right there. Along her hair, I'm gonna draw some curve line downwards at this top point right there, and at the side, curve line sideways to the back. Above the head, I'm gonna draw a circular shape across, and on the right side, curve line upwards. Turn it to the left and turn it back down on the left side all the way to the side of her neck. And at the outer corner on the left, I'm going to draw another similar line downwards. Sharp turn back up right there all the way to the side of the hair. Now for her nose, I'm going to draw a curved line down below the frame in the middle, curve line across at the tip of the nose, and curve line down on the left and right side of her nose. Curve line across below the nose right there, and from the corner of the mouth, I'm going to draw a diagonal line upwards, turn it down at the middle point, mirror the same shape on the right side as well, and for the lower lips, diagonal line downwards, curve line across in the middle point, and turn it back diagonally up at the corner. Below the head, I'm gonna draw a curve line downwards on both the left and right for her neck, and at the bottom point, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line on the left right there, extend it all the way to the right side, and another diagonal line from the left downwards in the middle point. Above that, another diagonal curve line outwards at that corner, turn it downwards, sharp turn up to the left, and a curve line downwards from this top point to that corner. At the side on the left, I'm going to draw a line out, diagonal turn downwards on the left, diagonal turn back to the middle point, and curve line upwards. For the choker on her neck, I'm going to draw a curve line across right there, and another one below that. I'm going to continue the line of her shirt in the middle here, turn it downwards, and extend it inwards all the way to her waist. On the right side, I'm going to draw the line of her shoulder with a semicircle line, turn it downwards. And at this point, I'm going to draw a curved line outwards, turn it back inwards at this lower point, and turn it downwards. For the left side, I'm going to take this point at the side of her collar and draw a curved line out, semicircle turn downwards, another curved line all the way to her elbow at that point. Below her elbow, another curved line all the way to her wrist right there. And I'm gonna draw a similar line for the inner line of the arm, like that, a line across at the wrist, and another one above it. And at the wrist, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line out, turn it downwards, semicircle turn at the tip of the thumb, sharp turn back down to the other finger, diagonal turn to the right, semicircle turn at the tip and back up. A diagonal line at the side on the left right there, turn it upwards to the right side of the wrist. For the other fingers, I'm gonna draw a similar shape of the tip at this corner right there. Now above her hand, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape, and on every fingers, I'm gonna draw a curved line across. At the side of her shoulder, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, and from the side of her arm, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line inwards towards her waist, turn it back out below the waist, flare it out at that point, and turn it back inwards to her ankle point. Now for the right side, I'm gonna extend this line downwards and flare it slightly out at that corner. And at that corner, I'm gonna draw her fingers with a diagonal line down, semicircle turn back up. And I'm gonna copy the same shape of the other finger at this lower point right here. Curve line back upwards at that corner and turn it sideways. Above that, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line up, semicircle turn back to the side. On every finger, I'm gonna draw some curve line across right there. And I'm gonna continue the line of her outfit on the right side downwards and turn it inwards. A diagonal curve line at this corner downwards and turn it sideways to the left, and I'm gonna extend this line all the way down to that point. Now on her waist, I'm gonna draw across a curve line right there and another one below that. Along the middle point of her shirt, I'm gonna draw some circular shape right there. And for her legs, I'm gonna draw a curved line below the skirt, turn it inwards, continue the line downwards right there, semicircle turn at that corner, diagonal line all the way to the tip of her shoes and turn it downwards, curved line to the left and another curved line at the back, turn it upwards at the back point, flare it out at that corner, turn it back up, and from that ankle point I'm going to draw a curved line inwards and back out below the knee point, back inwards at the side of her knee, and curved line upwards to the skirt. For her shoe, I'm going to take this point at the side of her ankle and draw a diagonal curved line downwards, semicircle turn at that corner, curved line across to the right side. Below that, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line from the back all the way to the side right there. I'm going to copy the same shape of the legs on the left side right here. Now going back to the hair, I'm gonna draw a similar curved line at the back of her neck here, downwards. And inside of the hair section, I'm gonna trace the same outline at this inner point along the hair. And for the top point right here as well. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.